governor of Nasarawa said this is a initiative that is worthy of emulation and commendation. We commend you and appreciate the effort that you're doing. I mean, you could see the youths that have been uplifted. You could see the joy and happiness in their faces. For me, this is an exciting initiative. It is something that is in alignment with the renewed hope of His Excellency Mr. President to increase food production, to increase productivity and yield, and this is exactly what it is today. Whatever, whether it is technical, whether it is input, whether it is financial support, we are willing to collaborate on such initiative because we have seen the step that His Excellency has taken.
You can see all the youth in this area have been engaged. So they are working. They are not only working and getting the daily bread, they are also working and having the opportunity to learn the technology. Some of them couldn't drive tractors. Today they can drive tractors. Some of them couldn't repair bulldozers. Today they can repair bulldozers. Some of them, so they are getting the technical know-how. And that is one of the things that is giving me. And some of them were not farmers. Today they can understand what farming is. They can understand the various chemicals you apply. They can understand which of the seeds, is it going to be Faro 44 or is it going to be Faro 61? Which one is best? Which one is best for swampy areas? Which one is best for hilly areas? So they have all these opportunities today. So that is the biggest joy for me.
Anything that belongs to government is for all of us are government. So no one should tamper with the government property. Because it's true here, and as time goes on, everybody will just benefit.